Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Motorcycle, and we have a 1981 CB650 Honda. I believe it's a custom. We're going to show you that the motor runs. It's got, the gauges are showing 24,750 miles. Now we purchased this from a customer because we needed some stuff off of it. So what we're going to do is we kind of went through the carbs a little bit. They could use maybe a little more work, but at least we got them so the bike will start. I don't see any broken fins on the motorcycle at all. It's rusty and stuff, but we're selling this for parts only because this was an abandoned bike, blah, blah, blah. So we are going to part this out. However, we wanted to show you that the engine does run, and the carburetors are borderline. They're okay, but I would recommend a really nice clean in the ultrasonic cleaner and everything. And well, we have someone who wants to buy some parts off this bike, so before we did anything like that, we just want to show that it ran. So Kenny, let's start this thing up.
All right, to jump the ignition.
We're going to jump the ignition here because we don't have anything hooked up. The ignition is good. The carbs need some work, but I believe this is a decent motor. So if there's any interest out there, let us know, and we'd be willing to sell anything that there is on the bike. Okay, well, thanks a lot.
It actually does have output. The rotors, stator and rotors probably.
Okay, we believe the stator and the rotor is probably good. So anybody out there needs some parts, let us know.